Here's how to fix Helldivers 2 crashing, not launching, showing a black screen or freezing on PC. Start with a clean restart. Close Steam completely through Task Manager, restart your PC, and relaunch Steam. This clears memory conflicts that cause launch failures without any other changes needed. Verify your game files. In Steam, right-click Helldivers 2, go to Properties, then Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan and replace any corrupted or missing files automatically. Update your GPU drivers through NVIDIA GeForce Experience, AMD Adrenalin, or Intel Driver Assistant. Restart your PC after the update before testing again. This step alone fixes the majority of black screen and crash issues in Helldivers 2. Disable the Steam overlay. Right-click Helldivers 2 in your library, go to Properties, then General, and uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Relaunch and test. The overlay conflicts with some games, and disabling it stops crashes that happen a few minutes into gameplay. Check for Windows updates under Settings, then Windows Update. Install all available updates and restart. Outdated Windows components cause compatibility problems that driver updates alone cannot fix. Finally, if the game still freezes or lags, lower your graphics settings inside the game. Reduce shadows, reflections, and effects. Lower render scale if needed, and set a reasonable FPS cap. Apply changes and gradually increase quality once stable. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.